No signal? No problem. This beast slaps dead zones into submission. Even in the basement. Still playing Find the Signal in your own house? Yeah, we've all been there, standing like a human antenna on the windowsill or waving your phone around like it's a lightsaber, just praying for a bar. Enter the HiBoost 15K Mate Pro, the cell signal booster that turns your signal nightmare into full bar bliss. With 72 decibels gain and dual indoor antennas, it doesn't just cover 12,000 square feet, it dominates it. Your garage, attic, office, and even the backyard shed will now be part of the digital world. Say goodbye to dropped calls and buffering tantrums. This thing doesn't play. What makes this signal booster the Beyoncé of boosters? It's simple. 5G ready, FCC approved, and works with every US carrier, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, you name it. With dynamic spectrum sharing, it flexes between 4G and 5G like a pro, squeezing out every drop of performance from your network. While other boosters whine about limited band support, this bad boy covers bands 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, 17, 25. Translation? Stronger calls, quicker texts, and silky-smooth streaming without needing a PhD in tech. LCD touchscreen, meet your new obsession. Tired of guessing if it's working? The HiBoost 15K Mate Pro has a built-in smart screen that lets you visually tweak, track, and triumph over weak signals with just a tap. Plus, with automatic gain control, it adapts to incoming signal levels like a genius AI assistant, keeping everything stable. And yes, it's got an app too, Signal Supervisor, so you can optimize in real time without drilling a single hole. Your phone calls just went from prehistoric to futuristic. Let's talk money, because time is money, and bad signal is draining both. Think of all the missed calls, delayed texts, and rage-fueled streaming failures. This booster pays for itself in sheer sanity. No subscription fees. No overpriced pro installs. Just DIY-friendly mounting gear, clear instructions, and USB Type-A compatibility. In 30 minutes, you'll go from "Can you hear me now?" to "I'm in the shower and still getting 5 bars." Plus, it's rugged, compact, and built to last, not like those flimsy Amazon specials that break faster than your Wi-Fi in a storm. So why HiBoost? Because it's tech-tested, consumer-loved, and backed by a 3-year warranty with US-based support, not some mystery bot in a foreign call center. With over-the-top performance, elite coverage, and real durability, this isn't just another gadget, it's your communication lifeline. Whether you're in a suburban mansion, downtown office, or rural farmhouse, the HiBoost 15K Mate Pro is the only booster that doesn't just boost, it unleashes. Ready to slap weak signal into oblivion? Thought so. Tap add to cart and let the bars begin.